Hello, welcome to Janie's Kitchen. I'm Janie. Today we are going to make the stir-fry shrimps with corn and zucchini. Let's see what ingredients we need. You can also find the list of ingredients in the description. So first we will dry the shrimps with paper towels. Then we can add the salt, the sugar, and white pepper powder. And right now we can mix it well. Then to add the cornstarch and also mix it completely. At the end we can add the sesame oil and also mix it well. Right now we can cut the zucchini into 4 parts and cut it into small pieces. After that we can prepare the sauce. Pour the cornstarch into a bowl. Add the water, sugar, and the soy sauce. Mix well and then the sauce is ready. Now we can add 2 teaspoons oil into the hot wok. Add half of the garlic and fry it until it is a little bit brown. Then we can add the zucchini. Stir fry a bit and then we can add 1 teaspoon water, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/3 teaspoon sugar. Stir fry a bit and then to let it to be cooked for half minute. Then we can take it out. Use the same wok. Add 1 teaspoon oil. Add the rest of the garlic. Fry the garlic until it is fragrant. Then we can add the shrimps. Also stir fry it a bit. When the shrimps start to turn red, we can add the zucchini. Stir fry a bit and then to add the corn. Stir fry again. And it is almost done. Right now we can stir the sauce a bit and then pour it in. Stir it until the sauce is thicker and then it's done. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel and my Facebook page. See you next time!